Hey guys, Bunmi here, top leader with O2 Worldwide, and I am making this video to tell you, if you haven't already heard, about this amazing detox tea. Now, yes, we have the original Dr. Miller's detox tea as the base of our tea with 4 added amazing proprietary ingredients to enhance it. So not only do we have the original made better, and people are so excited. We knew that when we came out with this, when Dan Putnam, our CEO, went to Dr. Miller's office, did the deal, secured this tea, that we had a winner, and the volume is proving this to be true. So many people are getting the tea. They're having great results. Some people are losing some weight their first week. Other people are saying their belly is getting flatter when they drink the tea. And then some people just use it for cleansing. They don't need to lose weight. Like, I drink the tea all the time. I don't need to lose weight. However, it is helping to cleanse my liver, colon, gallbladder, kidneys. It works at the cellular level. It's an intercellular cleanser. So you can drink the tea hot, or you can drink the tea cold. Some people put their Thrive organic greens into their tea. Some people put juice in it. Last week, for the first time, I drank some of my tea cold, and I would put half tea, half cranberry juice, 100% cranberry juice, not drink. But I drink it most times. Most times I drink it hot. So what you want to do, the tea is very easy to make. You boil 32 ounces of water. And once you get your water to a boil, then you add in your 2 tea bags. So two tea bags comes in a packet like this. And you let it steep for 6 to 8 hours. Most times people do it overnight. And then add another, some more water in the morning to make a gallon and drink up. Most people do 20 ounces a day. That's what the directions say. 20 ounces a day, but that's up to you. It says, experience the health benefits. Drink 4 to 8 ounces 3 times a day. All right. If you do that, then this is going to last you a month. Okay. Then the 2 tea bags make a gallon. That'll last you a week. If you purchase the month's supply, you're going to actually get 4 of these bags. So that will be basically 1 package for each week of the month. And you make that gallon, 1 person drinking it, it'll last you a week. So people are going crazy over this tea, but it's not just the tea. People are excited about the carb bonus as well. So at the same time that Dan came out with the new product, he also came out with the easiest to achieve carb bonus in the industry. Listen to this, guys. With as little as just 20 people on your team. That's it. Just 20. You get 4. So that's all we want you to do. That's all we want everybody to do is focus on 4. You get 4 people on auto ship with that carb bonus pack. Help them to do the same thing. Everybody's on their monthly auto ship for 3 amazing products for just $89. O2 drops, the Thrive, and the tea. Just $89 for the 3 products. You get 4 people who do that. They help those 4 to get 4, and now you get a $500 a month car bonus. That's how it works. If you want to find out more, give me a call, 443-864-9440. Again, 443-864-9440.